But there's this issue that's cropping up now that they know this. So their latest thing is, oh, well, there's people who are told if you like your health care policy, you can keep it. Let me tell you something about them policies. Many of them policies had fine print. And when you actually needed the policy wasn't going to cover anything. Huge deductible, fine print. And so the Affordable Care Act said, look, you can't have these policies that don't cover anything. And so there's some basic things they got to cover. And so because of that, a lot of these policies don't comply. So they can't offer that policy, just like you may have a favorite restaurant, but if it has all kind of health code violations, maybe the health code will close them down. You're mad because you like their grits and they were cheap. But look, it's not a safe place for you to go in. So don't back down off of this thing. Say, look, we need people to have policies that cover. And I'm not talking about, and I'm going to tell you this, I am supportive of President Obama, but I've criticized him on various things and supported him on others. I'm not coming at you from a politics standpoint. I'm coming at you from a heart standpoint. When people want to criticize the Affordable Care Act, remember, the Republicans had the House, Senate, and the White House from 2000 to 2006 and didn't do anything other than do Medicare Part D, which had all kind of problems in the beginning too. And we're still trying to fix Medicare Part D. And one of the fixes we need to have on Medicare Part D is let Medicare negotiate drug prices just like the Veterans Administration does. I just want to say to you, I'm not talking about some political rap. What I'm saying is we had healthcare nightmares everywhere all the time before the Affordable Care Act. Nobody likes change except for a baby in a dirty diaper, y'all. And so change is a rough process. We're going through that process of change, but it won't be long till we're on the other side of this thing, and you're going to have literally millions and millions more people who are covered, who can go to the doctor, who don't have to let that weird lump just hope for the best, You know what I mean? Who can go actually get that tooth extracted. There was a little boy in Maryland who had a tooth abscess and died because that infection went to his brain because, lack of insurance, lack of care, lack of access. We are going to leave those bad old days behind, and when we do, we're going to be better for it. It's not that they're afraid that the Affordable Care Act doesn't work. It's they're afraid that it will work. That is what they're afraid of. And you can never forget that. So, enough talking for me. Just thought I'd share a few ideas with you. And let's talk a little bit